Hey guys, Woody here with Express Screen. Today we're going to be talking about how to put together one of our clamp frames for the GoccoPro100. We're going to be using one of our wooden inserts here, and obviously the two pieces to the clamp frame that we got right there. And so I just want to show you all how to put this together from start to finish. So this is what a brand new wooden frame will look like. The big difference there is this has a little paper sheet right here, and that's right on top, and that's actually masking where the double stick tape is. So that's easy enough to peel back. And once you got that peeled back, like we do on this one, it's already been used, just needs some new tape. So yeah, we've already got that peeled off essentially, and now we're ready to get started with our foam tape. So the foam tape is going to stick on easy enough, especially with the help of that double stick tape. And all you're going to do is make sure you're getting that down on each side, going from edge to edge. Get some scissors to cut it to the size you need. And then once you've got your foam tape down, you'll peel off that top bit, which will reveal the adhesive part on there. And that's what you're going to be sticking your mesh to, which we'll get to in a minute here. All right, got two sides down, two to go. You want to make sure this isn't, none of the foam tape is really overlapping any of the other foam tape. It's going to give you some uneven, weird tension going on. And so just make sure everything's laying down flat on your wooden frame. There we go. And it doesn't need to be perfect necessarily. You don't have to have it touching edge to edge, but just get it as close as you really can with trying to work in the gaps between the pieces of tape. So now that we got that done, we'll peel off the top parts of this foam tape, and that'll reveal the sticky side underneath that. As you can see, it's pretty easy getting that upper carrier material off there. And so now that we got that done, we're ready to put our frame together entirely with the mesh in it and everything. So I got my mesh here. Always remember, you're going to go shiny side to sticky. So just always remember, you want the shiny side of that mesh, that part that feels really smooth. You want that sticking to that sticky side of your tape right there. Well, both sides of the tape are going to be sticky, but you want it sticking up there. Then once you got that done, we've got our clamp frames here. This clamp frame comes with some gasket tape already on it. That's going to help you out with tension. And this gasket tape is, there's no adhesive on that top side. And so you clamp it in between our two metal frames here. And once you got that, just through the clips. Make sure these clips are facing to where you've got the parts that are kind of jutting out. You want those to be sticking up when you're on your press. So just make sure you've got those set up right. Get everything clamped in here. And now that we've got all these clamps on here, we're ready to go up to our press. Taking it off is just as easy too. Imagine we had, done some printing here. We were done with this screen, ready for a new design and new image on this clamp frame. We'd take it out of the press, get your clamps off. Which can be a little harder with fresh foam tape, but not too difficult. And then once we got those clamps off, just gonna pull the frame apart. Should be easy enough. You might have some a little bit of stick going on the outside there. Just rub your finger in between. And we're ready for the next design. So yeah, that's how the GoccoPro100 clamp frames work. Definitely come back, check out some of our other videos. We're posting these pretty frequently, so definitely keep up with our stuff and give us a call if you're interested in anything. Hope to hear from you all soon.